Say hi. Hi. Let me show you her foot. The beautiful foot. Put on and then gently tap her head down. A big day! It's AllYourDolls unboxing day. In front of me, the huge carton box is from Funwest. So inside, it is 159 centimeters tall, real human skin pattern, full body silicone doll. The head is the 043 SJ. Her name is Rose. Today I'm going to unbox this and save Rose out. Let's do it! The film is taken. Okay, we could see this one is really protected well. You could see there are wooden frame on both sides. So we have two wooden. Your doll is well protected on both sides. The board is very hard, very solid box. Oh, you see I used a lot of my force to put on the board, so you could imagine how solid it is. Okay, we take out the foams, the air foam. And this is a Funwest accessory box. Firstly, we have a menu, teach you how to use your doll correctly. English version. Then a cleaner. A white lingerie. Oh, a certificate. So this one is the one you can use on their official website, funwest.com. to check if you get the authentic dolls. So you can use a coin to scratch here to get the code, and only the authentic dolls can pass this test. So AllYourDolls is the official vendor of Funwest. We will do this test later for you. Next one is a coop for you to coop the hair. A heater to insert the vagina, so use a USB. This is a special gift that not commonly see in other dolls products. This is a test piece of Funwest, the same color with the doll you choose. So it is very helpful for you to make a repair for your doll. And last two things, firstly is M16, the head and body connector. It's very useful if you want to change your doll head. So it's also free. And lastly, a pair of gloves for you to touch your dolls with care. Yeah, so all these accessories are free, provided by Funwest Doll. Every customer will receive this by default. I'm fully equipped. So let's start from the head. Oh, yeah, this is her head, Rose, inside this protector. So when doing the cuts, be careful of the scissors, not insert like this. Always do this to protect the skins won't scratched. I see her hair, the black hair. I will show you her real appearance. Ooh, so beautiful. This is our first meet. Say hi. Hi. Wow. The implanted hair with the OS, the rose mouse. Yeah, I will show you this later. So you can see there is a yellow label saying that remove packaging carefully to avoid damage to fingers. So you could see they use the foam to protect the skin of the leg and the fingers. So we need to use the scissor to remove this part carefully. Now let me remove the covered blanket. Remove another layer of the protector, the foam. So cut it. Wow, I have already seen the freckles and the moles and the pubic hair on her body. So I would suggest that not like cut her like the protectors in the box, but like hold her up like the feet and the hand and then cut. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I can do this, see? And then cuts. Okay, one arm is revealed. See? Hi. 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 The other hand. So drag the foam out a little bit. Don't stick on those so your scissor will like break the skin. Okay. Okay. Two hands are revealed. Yeah. Okay. So next is the leg. Put her leg up, 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 up. Okay, like this. When you can use the power to tear, just tear it. Use less the scissor because the scissor is too sharp. Let me show you her foot. The beautiful foot with those like the real human skin texture. Can you see it? It's very clear. The second foot. Wow, it's so beautiful. Stunning. Wow. You see the veins, the wrinkles, the toes. The toes is bendable, you see? I can bend it. So everything down for the box. So next, let's take her out. How we can take her out without hurting your backs. Because as we all know, averagely the dolls will weigh like 30 to 40 kilograms. It's not too heavy, but it's also not too light. So in order that you can safely take out her without like break any skins or hurt your back, we strongly suggest you follow our guide. So firstly, do not like directly to take her out. No, do not do this. You need to make her arms up first, arm up first, and then up your legs, up your another leg. So there are already 4 ups. And then bend the knees a little bit, bend. So you could see there is already a natural angle, so you could easily put your arms under her bend, and then put her arms a little bit down. Use another arm to take her on this neck to protect the neck. So I will take her out now. 1, 2, 3, okay? It now can easily be held by your 2 arms. Okay. Now she can sit on her chair safely. Now we are going to make her stand on this stand. Firstly, let's lay her down like as a flat. Let's bend down. Now she is like lying as a flat, and then put her feet on this legs. Stand on the stand and make her lay back a little bit. So there is a protector behind her, so don't worry, she will fall down. So ensure her safety, let's put the belt. Okay. So now she is fasten your seatbelt like taking an airplane. Don't be nervous. I know this is your first time showing us. Okay, don't be shy. Lastly, we are going to install her head. So in this package, you will receive 2 screws. They are both M16 screws. One is the normal screw, the other one is the quick adapter screw. So we suggest you use the quick adapter screw. It's more easier to install. So firstly, let's put on this quick adapter screw. Swip, 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 swip. Okay, it's now fully installed. So next, we are going to put her head on. So you can see, this is the bottom of the head. So you could also see a connector, a head connector. So with the help of the quick adapter, you no need to like shift on her head to install. But if you use the normal one, it's more like solid or fixed. You need to like shift her head. Okay, so what we need to do now is that putting her head on this quick adapter. Okay, put on and then gently tap her head down. Yeah, now it's fixed. You see? If you want to bend down her head a little bit, just put on her back and then, okay, see, bend down. And then if you want to up, like put your head on the forehead, up. Oh, sorry, I forgot to make it seem charming. So now I will show you how to install the normal screws of the M16 screw. So firstly, put the screws on this body. Okay, make it tight. And then take her head out. So in case the hair got stuck to the connector, so we suggest that you use to tight her hair first and then put it on. It will be more easier. Now let's screw 360 degrees. I know it's scared on the camera, but it's the correct way, like to install her head tightly. Okay, now it's fixed. So far for this, we have finished the overall install of a doll. So this is Funwest 159 centimeters tall rose with the implanted hair, implanted eyebrows, eyelashes, petite body with the A cup, and also a slim body. Soft side, articulated fingers. Yeah, with the standing feature. Okay, thank you for your watching. This is the unboxing of the doll that Funwest Doll shipped to us. So thank you for Funwest for this, and we will continue to unbox more dolls for you.